Today we're making baby shower popcorn. Today we're gonna be making favors for a baby shower. This is a great little favor for a gender reveal party or baby shower, whatever you wanna do. We're gonna be making blue raspberry using this gold medal blue raspberry glaze pop. And we're gonna be making cherry pink using this gold medal glaze pop. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our cherry pink flavor in here first. Then we're gonna use the blue and we're gonna mix the two together. In order to do that, we're using 6 ounces of gold medal mushroom popcorn, 2 ounces of corn oil, and then we're gonna use the quantities that it suggests right on the box of the glaze pop. Half the amount of glaze pop as the size of your kettle. And so we have a 6-ounce kettle, which is why we're using 6 ounces of kernels. So we're gonna use 3 ounces of the glaze pop. So let's get this heated up. We were already popping some batches in here today, so it probably won't take very long to heat. Once it does, we'll start our motor and we'll get popping. Let's check the temperature of our kettle. So let's open this up. We have a little heat temperature gun here, and we're at 335 degrees. So that's heated up plenty good. You don't have to do that for your machine. Just heat it up for 3 or 4 minutes and you should be good to go. So let's open this up. We'll turn on our motor, get that spinning in there. 2 ounces of corn oil, 6 ounces of corn. Take a quick peek in there. See it spinning around, looks good. Close that. We'll let that heat up. Just a reminder, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. If you have any ideas for popcorn flavors, comment down below and let us know. We love trying new flavors. Heard a couple pops there. Let's open that up. We're gonna add in our pink cherry glaze pop. See that spinning around in there? Give that a close. And let that pop up. You can really smell the cherry. We're gonna listen for this to slow down, and then we're gonna give it a dump. Look at that bright pink. All right, slowing down, give it a dump. Back, one more time. Turn off our heat, turn off our motor. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Look how nice and bright that is. That looks so good. All right, let's take a close-up look at that. Oh yeah, that nice coating on there. As this cools down, it's gonna be like a candy coating on there. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah, actually great cherry flavor. Popcorn's nice and crunchy. Like I said, once that cools down, it's gonna get even a better candy coating on there. That tastes really good. That is great. So now we'll pop up our blue raspberry. First thing we're gonna do is move this all over to the side. So let's get popping on our blue raspberry. So let's open this up. We'll turn on our motor, get that spinning in there. 2 ounces of corn oil, 6 ounces of corn. Take a quick peek in there. See it spinning around, looks good. Close that. We'll let that heat up. We have our 2 ounces of oil in here and our 6 ounces of kernels, and it's starting to pop right now. So let's open that up. We're gonna add in 3 ounces of blue raspberry glaze pop. Take a quick look in there. See it stirring around. Close that. We'll let that come back up to temperature. All right, it's starting to pop up now. Oh yeah, look at that nice bright blue. When this starts to slow down and stop popping, that's when we're gonna dump it, so we have to listen. All right, slow down, let's give it a dump. One more time. Turn off our heat, turn off our motor. Look at that. Look at that blue and pink popcorn. All right, and all we can do is we just mix this around. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how nice that looks. Look at that, blue and pink. This is a perfect baby shower favor. Maybe you're having a gender reveal party, baby shower. This is a great favor. It's just a great snack to even have during the party. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that coating on there. That looks so good. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that is really good. The blue raspberry glaze pop is the flavor is so bold. It's really, really good. And the pink cherry, that is really good as well. This is awesome. So remember, you can make this same popcorn yourself. There's links down below in the description. So get out there and get popping.